अपनी हॉबीज और फिटनेस गोल्स को, पेरेंट्स की अपनी स्पेस, बच्चों की हैप्पीनेस को, कपल वाले गोल्स को, फैमिली की सेफ्टी को। चलो अनलॉक करते हैं उस नेवर बिफोर लाइफस्टाइल को। इसीलिए आदिराज कैपिटल सिटी की अनलॉक 500, जहां हमने 500 दिनों के लिए आपकी ईएमआई को लॉक कर दिया है, ताकि आप आसानी से अनलॉक कर सको कैपिटल सिटी की सेफ, सिक्योर, इंटीग्रेटेड और फ्यूचर रेडी लाइफस्टाइल। Pay 5% now. EMI starts in Jan 2022. विन चाबी के इस ताले को खोलते हैं। चलो जिंदगी को फिर से अनलॉक करते हैं। अनलॉक करते हैं अपने ड्रीम्स और एस्पिरेशंस को, जो कहीं छुप गया था, उस लाइफस्टाइल होम के सपने को। अनलॉक करते हैं एक नहीं 5 कैपिटल्स को, वॉक टू वर्क और शॉप ऑन योर वे फ्रॉम वर्क को, खुले रास्ते और प्राइवेट पोडियम गार्डन को। चलो अनलॉक करते हैं नेचर और फ्यूचर को, डैड डॉटर की ड्रीम टीम को, अपनी हॉबीज और फिटनेस गोल्स को, पेरेंट्स की अपनी स्पेस, बच्चों की हैप्पीनेस को, कपल वाले गोल्स को, फैमिली की सेफ्टी को। चलो अनलॉक करते हैं उस नेवर बिफोर लाइफस्टाइल को। इसीलिए आदिराज कैपिटल सिटी की अनलॉक 500, जहां हमने 500 दिनों के लिए आपकी ईएमआई को लॉक कर दिया है, ताकि आप आसानी से अनलॉक कर सको कैपिटल सिटी की सेफ, सिक्योर, इंटीग्रेटेड और फ्यूचर रेडी लाइफस्टाइल। Pay 5% now. EMI starts in Jan 2022.
Right. Thank you everyone. We just quickly saw the AV now, right? आप सभी लोगों ने एक ऑडियो वीडियो देखा रहेगा जिसमें briefly we have given you the details in terms of what is it that we have to offer. Now let's just quickly look at कि आज के ये particular webinar का agenda क्या है. We will be taking this webinar for not more than 30-35 minutes, right? I'm sure all of you are busy, so we don't want to take too much of your time. Neither do we want to get into too much of detail. So we want to give you an overlook, a brief about what Adiraj Capital City has to offer. Right. So agenda that we'll be seeing is we'll be talking about a migration, which we see. We see a lot of people from Mumbai market migrating towards Navi Mumbai, and that's the reason the code name that we have given, right, is called Mumbai. Second, we will see the 10 mega projects that are changing the landscape of Navi Mumbai, right? What are these? Third agenda that we will have is Kharghar, a perspective. Why do we talk about Kharghar? Capital appreciation. What kind of capital appreciation has been witnessed at Kharghar, the proven yields that we have seen for the last 10 years. The entire capital city is based on total 5 capitals and 1 city, so we'll talk about that. Then we'll talk about what is it that the capital city offers for each and every member of your family, depending on the various age groups that they might be in. Then we have the master layout and the layout for your particular floor plans. Then there is a cluster plan that we have, floor plans and the unit plan. These are the kind of 10-point agenda that we have set for this webinar today. Moving ahead, let's start with why we call it a Mumbai, right? There is an imperative shift. Like I said, lot of people जो साउथ मुंबई में हैं, हम काफी सारे लोग साउथ मुंबई से आते हैं, अंधेरी, चेंबूर से आते हैं, जो नवी मुंबई को अपना एक घर बनाते हैं. They see that नवी मुंबई एक काफी बेटर तरीके से प्लान की गई है, काफी सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टेलविंड्स है नवी मुंबई में. So that is the reason lot of these people are leaving Mumbai and coming towards Navi Mumbai. One of the reasons, key reasons, right, especially in this current lockdown, जो और ज्यादा एक्सेंचुएट हो चुका है, वो है पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी. एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव कि गोइंग अहेड काफी सारे क्लाइंट्स है, जैसे आप जैसे लोग हैं, दोज विल बी इंटरेस्टेड टू नो कि कितने डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड ये सिटीज है. सो अगर हम मुंबई की बात करें तो मुंबई में पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर 40,600 के ऊपर लोग हैं. थाने में 19,725 हैं एंड इन नवी मुंबई ये 5,800 के आसपास का है. So it clearly shows the difference between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai is close to 1:8 people. So अगर मुंबई में एक जगह पे, एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पे 8 लोग हैं, in Navi Mumbai you have 1 person. So Navi Mumbai is lot more less densely populated, right? All right. Moving ahead, the social distancing comes naturally. So जो मैं आपको बता रहा था that अगर आप कोविड केसेस भी देखेंगे, right, नवी मुंबई में काफी बेटर सिचुएशन है कंपेयर टू मुंबई. एंड उसका स्ट्रेट अवे कोरिलेशन इज बिटवीन द काइंड ऑफ डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन विच इज मच बेटर एट नवी मुंबई. सो यू डोंट हैव द काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स विच आर इंक्रीजिंग डेली बेसिस पे जो मुंबई में बढ़ रहे हैं. कंपेरेटिवली दैट नवी मुंबई में अगर आप देखेंगे तो नवी मुंबई सिचुएशन इज लॉट बेटर देन दैट. एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स अगर आप देखेंगे, आई थिंक अगेन वन मोर थिंग विच विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गोइंग अहेड फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. अगर आप मुंबई का देखेंगे तो दिस वाज एज गिवन इंडिकेटर व्हिच हैड कम इन वाइड न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड एवरीवेयर. मुंबई दी एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स इज एट 181 व्हिच इज रेटेड एज अनहेल्दी. थाने इट इज 49 व्हिच इज रेटेड एज गुड एंड नवी मुंबई 38 व्हिच इज अगेन गुड. सो वन मोर थिंग, अगर आप नवी मुंबई में, आई एम श्योर आप में से 100 से ज्यादा, 125 से ज्यादा क्लाइंट्स या गेस्ट, राइट, आई वुड कॉल इट, दे आर लाइव राइट नाउ. काफी सारे लोग जो है हमारे पास नवी मुंबई से ही आते हैं. तो जो नवी मुंबई में रह रहे हैं वो लोग बहुत अच्छे जानेंगे जो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको अभी, दैट द क्वालिटी ऑफ एयर इन नवी मुंबई इज मच बेटर द मोमेंट यू क्रॉस द ब्रिज, गो टुवर्ड्स मानपुर, घाटकोपर, गोवंडी kind of an area, and even further ahead you will notice the kind of open spaces जो नवी मुंबई में है वो मुंबई में उतनी दिखती नहीं है. And definitely you have lot many, in fact at Kharghar we have 100+ acres of Central Park. So one of the more reasons, right, you don't have these kind of things, you don't have either in Thane 100+ acres of Central Park or even in Mumbai. So that's the kind of thing which separates Navi Mumbai from surrounding areas like Thane and Mumbai. As such, the quality of air is much better over here. The cleanliness, Swachh Suraksha ranking which was done, right? So Mumbai was ranked at 49, Thane at 57 and Navi Mumbai 7th. ये Times of India में आर्टिकल आया था इसके बारे में and I completely agree. I mean, मैं नवी मुंबई को पिछले 25 साल से देख रहा हूँ. I bought my first property on Palm Beach Road, so I know it very well कि नवी मुंबई क्या था and अभी क्या है. क्लीनलीनेस वाइज आप कहीं पर भी जाइए, आपको नवी मुंबई जैसे क्लीन सिटीज अक्रॉस, मतलब मैं एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वाशी और मे बी पाम बीच और नेरुल और खारगर काइंड ऑफ एन एरिया. आई एम सेइंग अक्रॉस, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योर आइरोली से लेके ऑल द वे टिल पनवेल अगर आप देखेंगे तो क्लीनलीनेस वाइज डेफिनेटली द सिचुएशन इज मच बेटर देन मुंबई और थाने. सो वन मोर रीजन विच शुड बी वेरी वेरी इम्पेरेटिव इन करंट टाइम्स दैट वी लिव कि क्लीनलीनेस कैसा है, एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स कैसा है, एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज पॉपुलर डेंसिटी नवी मुंबई में जो बेटर है. ट्रांजिट ऑप्शन अगर आप देखेंगे तो कंपेयर टू मुंबई, थाने एंड नवी मुंबई, राइट, नवी मुंबई इज इम्प्रूविंग, राइट. मुंबई यू हैव मेजर रोड एंड रेल नेटवर्क एंड मेट्रो which is already started, right. Thane mein also there is a huge construction work which goes on and there are a lot of public transport and roads which are already there at Thane, right. But Navi Mumbai on the other hand, if you go to see, roads were always there, right. You had much wider roads compared to Mumbai or Thane. You have much wider roads. Also the connectivity is improving in terms of number of flyovers जो आ रहे हैं. अगर आप सी लिंक भी देखेंगे, जो सी लिंक जब कनेक्ट होगी, मुंबई ट्रांस हार्बर लिंक जब कनेक्ट होगी, तो आप साउथ मुंबई अगर आपको पहुंचने के लिए आज 1.5 से 2 घंटे लग रहे हैं नवी मुंबई से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट, खारगर से अगर आप शुरू करते हो शायद आपको 1.5 से 2 घंटे साउथ मुंबई पहुंचने को लगे, बट वंस द ट्रांस हार्बर लिंक स्टार्ट्स, राइट, आप सोच सकते हैं कि 45 मिनट्स में शायद आप साउथ मुंबई पहुंच सकते हैं। एंड उसी के लिए काफी सारे जो हमारे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं वो साउथ मुंबई से आते हैं, because they know that they will be able to quickly go back to their businesses or offices that they have over there. पारसिक टनल एक अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है जो कनेक्ट करेगी आपको तुर्भे से लेके खारगर तक। अभी अगर आप आ रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप बैंड्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में काम करते हैं, अंधेरी में काम करते हैं, आप आ रहे हैं, राइट, घाटकोपर घनसोली लिंक रोड है जो बनने जा रहा है, वो बनेगा, वहां से आप घनसोली तक पहुंच पाएंगे घाटकोपर से। घनसोली से लेके आप तुर्भे थोड़ा आगे आएंगे। फिलहाल आपको क्या करना पड़ रहा है, आपको फिलहाल पूरा एक यू टर्न, एक राउंड अबाउट लेके आना पड़ रहा है। फ्रॉम तुर्भे यू विल कम टुवर्ड्स वाशी, फ्रॉम वाशी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स फॉर एग्जांपल जोयनगर, bit of Sanpada, Nerul, right, then Belapur, and then you kind of come back to Khargar. बट जब ये पारसिक टनल शुरू होगा तब आप तुर्भे से लेके स्ट्रेट अवे आप खारगर में आ पाएंगे विद इन 15 to 20 मिनट्स, राइट, आप तुर्भे से खारगर पहुंच पाएंगे। एंड द ओपनिंग इज वेरी क्लोज। ये पारसिक टनल का जो खारगर की तरफ ओपनिंग हो रहा है वो हमारे कैपिटल सिटी से बहुत नजदीक है, मतलब विद इन 5 मिनट्स आप कैपिटल सिटी में पहुंच सकते हो अगर आपने पारसिक टनल क्रॉस करके खारगर में आप आ गए। सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ ट्रांजिट ऑप्शंस व्हिच आर इंप्रूविंग एंड गेटिंग बेटर, right, and one of the reasons why they are getting better is because there are so many infrastructure projects which were there. So हम अभी आगे देखेंगे कि क्या infrastructure projects हैं। तो सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर होता है कि लोगों को जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज कहाँ पे मिलती है, या कमर्शियल में अगर किसी का बिजनेस भी है कमर्शियल अपॉर्चुनिटीज कहाँ पे मिलती है। मुंबई में जो कमर्शियल है वो कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है। You have major commercial hubs which are there at Bandra Kurla complex, at Andheri, at Lower Parel towards South Mumbai side, right? But on the other hand, if you look at even Thane में kind of restricted है, Wagle estate में mainly commercial सारा featured है। But अगर नवी मुंबई देखेंगे तो it's well spread out. Starting from Mindspace, which is there at Airoli से लेके all the way you have a lot of offices and commercial premises towards Sanpada, Vashi, राइट, आगे आके नेरुल में भी काफी है। खारगर आई नो, बेलापुर इज अ बिग, बेलापुर इज नोन एज सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट। सो काफी सारे कमर्शियल ऑप्शंस या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज के ऑप्शंस बेलापुर में है, राइट। ऑल्सो खारगर में अगर आप देखेंगे पिछले 5 साल में काफी सारा कमर्शियल इस तरफ मूव हुआ है, एंड स्पेशली इन करंट टाइम्स कि जहाँ पे इवन फॉर वेल एस्टैब्लिश कमर्शियल establishment as such, they will try and look to take reasonable leasing options which are located towards Navi Mumbai. So I see a lot of migration of jobs, a lot of migration of people will happen from Mumbai side. They will move towards Navi Mumbai side. So this is going to get better. A lot more job opportunities will be created because of these things. Open green spaces, I think this is also a well-established fact, right? Concentrated है मुंबई में, you have certain places like Borivali, Kandivali, कि जहाँ पे आपकी RA colony है, right? That is where mainly a huge park is there. You may have small parks across Mumbai, right? But nothing compared to Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai अगर आप देखेंगे 1/3 is reserved for green spaces. The place that we represent, right, Khargar, which is very close to Khargar, is where our project is. You have 100+ acres of central park. थाने में अगर आप देखेंगे सर्टन एरियाज है, टिकुजिनी वाड़ी वगैरह जैसे एरियाज है जहाँ पे बड़े पार्क्स हैं, बट अदर देन दैट, राइट, यू सी अ कॉन्क्रीट जंगल which is not visible, especially in a place like Khargar. In Khargar काफी सारे open spaces है. The image behind this particular screen, अगर आप देखेंगे golf course है, there is a already operational 18-hole golf course that is there, 100+ acres of central park that is there. So Navi Mumbai is lot more green than Mumbai or Thane again. Education and healthcare facilities, close to 70% of the people, 125-130 के ऊपर हमारे लाइव गेस्ट है अभी ये वेबिनार जो सुन रहे हैं। आप सभी लोगों को पता होगा जो नवी मुंबई से है, that education and healthcare wise नवी मुंबई is again much better. खारगर एक पूरा एजुकेशन जोन है, बेस्ट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल्स आर देयर इन खारगर, और इन वेरी क्लोज विसिनिटी ऑफ खारगर यू हैव द बेस्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल. सो मुंबई में भी है, मुंबई में देयर आर वेरी गुड स्कूल्स, इवन इन थाने देयर आर वेरी गुड स्कूल्स, बट आई स्ट्रांगली फील दैट दे आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड. 1-2 जगह पे है जहाँ पे आपको बहुत अच्छी स्कूलिंग है, बहुत अच्छे ऑप्शंस है. दे आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. One more thing which I feel is that you have very good schools in Mumbai or in Thane, but they are slightly on a higher side in terms of our cost of education देखेंगे, right? Even the cost of healthcare is slightly on a higher side towards Mumbai and Thane, you have good facilities over there. But Navi Mumbai side, right, if you go to see, the cost of education is not as high as the other places, right? And the healthcare costs are also, according to me, reasonable compared to any of these other locations. Khargar की जिसमें मैं बात करूंगा, right? You have NMIMS, which is a huge, very popular MBA college which has already started operational. काफी सारे other education options already exist करते हैं. You have best of hospitals which are there at Khargar. Right, so these are the things which differentiates Navi Mumbai from Thane and Mumbai. You have very good education and healthcare options as such. Let's look at the 10 major projects which are like a tailwind. See, a developer, there are very good developers in Mumbai as well as in Thane. But what really uplifts the kind of capital appreciation, आप कह लो, या तो फिर आप कह लो एक general जो एक increase in lifestyle होती है, right? वो developer to an extent ला सकता है. But there has to be a infra tailwinds which has to be driven by a government agenda, and I think they are abandoned in Navi Mumbai. I don't think so. You will have the kind of infra projects जो आज Navi Mumbai में execute हो रहे हैं, maybe delayed a bit. I would accept that, maybe delayed a bit. But overall जिस तरीके से situation पिछले अगले 5 साल 7 साल में होने वाली है, right, gives me a lot of confidence. अगर मैं आज कहीं एक मुंबई में रह रहा हूँ, थाने में रह रहा हूँ, I will definitely say that I will try and look for a much bigger apartments, even Navi Mumbai में. काफी सारे हमारे यहाँ पे जो बायर्स आते हैं वो नवी मुंबई में एग्जिस्टिंग रह रहे हैं. दे वांट टू अपग्रेड देयर लाइफस्टाइल. दे डोंट वांट टू लीव नवी मुंबई. दे वांट टू अपग्रेड देयर लाइफस्टाइल. एंड व्हाई rather than choosing a Mumbai or a Thane as an option, अगर मैं आज नवी मुंबई में हूँ, I will choose Navi Mumbai because of the infrastructure projects which are getting executed. We will see one of those. So starting with one of the biggest that we have, the Navi Mumbai International Airport, 3 times Mumbai Airport के size का ये बनेगा. Will handle about 60 million passengers. 1500 square kilometers का एक notified area सिडको ने बनाया हुआ है. Right? So it's going to be a big infrastructure push as such. What happens because of an airport coming up, which I think, if you ask me personally, the first terminal will get operational in anywhere between 3 years on a very, very optimistic kind of a timeline, or maybe 5 years on a conservative timeline. एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर काम चालू रहेगा, but the first terminal, the one runway, I see it getting operational in 5 years. Once it is given to a private party, they will expedite the work. Leveling work is going on. Even in this crisis time, I have seen multiple times that the leveling work for the new international airport continues. Right? Once it is given for a private operator to go ahead and build it, right? The first terminal will be built up and the first runway will be operational anywhere between 3 to 5 years. So once this becomes operational, what happens is there are a lot of these 5-star hotels which are already established, their establishments over here in Navi Mumbai. But I know for a fact, being a developer side in Navi Mumbai, there are a lot of these 5 to 7 of these 5-star hotels which are still looking to buy a land or do a JV to establish 5-star hotels over here, which again they will coincide once the airport comes towards the finishing stage. You will see many 5-star hotels and these options. So what happens because of this is that a lot of commercial activity comes. A lot of people start traveling over here. They want to buy accommodation. Navi Mumbai as such, right? They will choose Khargar and Navi Mumbai as such to make it a house. So again, in terms of any of you who are looking to invest, will be a good time for you to invest as well. Nhava Sheva Sea Link, right? Again, one of the biggest infrastructure drivers which will happen in next 5 to 7 years to come. Longest sea bridge in India with 21.8 kilometers. It's going to be a 6-lane highway, and 4-kilometer bridge length will be the longest steel span in India. So once this gets operational, you'll be able to connect to South Mumbai, or people in South Mumbai will be able to connect in 20-25 minutes to where it is opening up close to the airport as such, right? So once that gets operational, वहां से आपको खारगर कनेक्ट करने के लिए और maybe 15-20 minutes. So typically अगर आप खारगर में रह रहे हो आज की तारीख में, आपको साउथ मुंबई, once the Nhava Sheva Sea Link gets operational, आप एक 45 minutes के reasonable time में आप साउथ मुंबई कनेक्ट करके हुए देख सकते हो. And that is again one more reason why lot many people will move towards this side. Lot more commercial will move towards this side, which is very, very expensive at South Mumbai right now. And the work continues. अगर आप ऑनलाइन जाके ये चेक करेंगे, उसका अपडेट चेक करोगे, तो आपको दिखेगा that the work has continued. There are close to about 25-30% of the pillar laying work has already been completed. So काफी सारा काम इसके ऊपर चल रहा है, right? And we are very optimistic that in about next 5 to 7 years, this will become operational. Navi Mumbai Corporate Park, which is planned at Kharghar, close to about 350 acres of land, is reserved for a corporate park. So they want to decongest places in Bandra-Kurla complex, Andheri, as well as Lower Parel, right? So close to 350 acre का एक development plan है for a corporate park, which will be coming up in Kharghar. So again, we'll go a long way in terms of getting the commercial establishment. And once the commercial establishment do come on this side, right, not many people will move in, and overall the GDP, right, of a particular city goes up. So because of all these infrastructure, what happens is lot many commercial interest comes towards Navi Mumbai. Lot many people make it a home. Overall, a GDP of a particular city, right, or a location as such goes up, and Kharghar is absolutely well positioned to do that once these things happen. So whether it is about the airport, which will be close to about 7 to 8 kilometers from, once it becomes operational, the new airport, or whether it's Nava Seva Sea Link Road, once it gets operational, 7 to 8 kilometers, Navi Mumbai Corporate Park will be based at Kharghar. From our project, this particular land parcel is close to about 5 kilometers. So you can just imagine once this such a huge commercial establishment comes up, the demand for Adiraj capital city will be substantially higher in years to come. Navi Mumbai Metro, those who are there at Kharghar or know about Kharghar would have seen कि जो first phase है starting from Taloja, right? The timeline was that by the end of this year, the first metro line would have begun its operation. But because of the because of this lockdown situation now might get delayed. But I see somewhere March, April, or maximum by mid of next year, you will have the first metro which will be operational at Kharghar. So from Taloja till Kharghar and Belapur is the first connectivity which will be there. Kharghar itself has 7 metro stations, right? And it's a fast and convenient way. So going ahead, 5 lines are planned overall, totaling 106 kilometers. So the connectivity, the way it has been thought of, right? It was supposed to be operational, but it has been delayed a bit now. So अगर आप देखेंगे इसका connectivity, right? It will connect you from Taloja to Kharghar and Belapur right now. And in times to come, the international airport, the Nhava Sheva Sea Link, right? Connectivity will be offered from there all across Navi Mumbai, and then extending towards Thane as well as Mumbai side. So you'll have the much better connectivity, much better options to travel rather than taking only the roads. So the infrastructure is really taking shape. Coastal road, which is planned from Spaghetti at Kharghar to the upcoming airport via Belapur. So this is the kind of Google map link which will take, right? Currently it talks about 36 odd minutes, right? But once this coastal road is up, which will be close to about 8 kilometers in length, you'll be able to connect from Kharghar Spaghetti complex to the upcoming airport in about 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So all these kind of roads, right, are coming up. So you see, agar aap शायद थाने मुंबई देखेंगे, so lot of these things kind of get sidelined, right? So it's a 8-kilometer road, but Navi Mumbai, and the best part about CIRCO and the planning is that they plan keeping next 15, 20, 25 years in mind. So this road of 8 kilometers might not have big significance for you right now, but once the airport starts, once the Nhava Sheva link starts, once the metro starts, right, this road will play a big role in terms of moving people from Kharghar towards, the international airport as such. The पार्सिक टनल की जिसके जैसे मैंने आपसे बात किया था, राइट, 3 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग टनल होने वाला है तुर्बे स्टेशन से लेके टाटा हॉस्पिटल, जो काफी नजदीक है हमारे अधिराज कैपिटल सिटी प्रोजेक्ट से. वुड ईज, जो आपको फिलहाल एक राउंड अबाउट लग रहा है फ्रॉम बेलापुर टू वाशी टू सांपड़ा, जोईनगर, नेरुल, बेलापुर, एंड देन कमिंग ऑल द वे इनसाइड अगेन टू खारगर, दैट काइंड ऑफ राउंड अबाउट विल बी सेव्ड. आप सीधा तुर्बे से कनेक्टिविटी होके 3 किलोमीटर्स में आप खारगर में पहुंचेंगे, एंड विद इन 5 minutes ऑफ ड्राइविंग डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम Parsik Tunnel opening from Tata Hospital is where our project is located, which is Adiraj Capital City. So all these things will play a long way in terms of getting the overall infrastructure up. Most of us are aware about the Central Park. काफी सारे लोग Central Park में आप देखोगे तो उल्लासनगर, कल्याण, डोंबिवली, in fact Western side, South Mumbai side से, because there are no parks available. ये साइज का जिस तरीके से हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 290 एकर्स में से close to about 100 acres is already operational, and the expansion continues for the Central Park. This will be like a lungs of entire Navi Mumbai once it is fully operational, right? So इस तरीके के parks है. So कमर्शियल इंटरेस्ट आप देख लो, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देख लो, एयरपोर्ट देख लो, या तो फिर पार्क्स एंड ग्रीन थिंग्स विच आर नीडेड नाउ इन करंट टाइम्स, राइट, आर ऑल कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन खारगर. सो अगर आप देखोगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी पर्सनली, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, मेरे हिसाब से कंपेयर टू मुंबई एंड थाने, नवी मुंबई इज बेटर प्लान. I'll make it a home, right, in Navi Mumbai. Second, in Navi Mumbai में अगर मुझे कहीं पे घर choose करना है, right, where will I choose? I will choose a place which has the best of education, best of healthcare, best of parks, right, best of all the things. Our amalgamation of all these things together is at Kharghar. You don't have this amalgamation maybe at Nerul. Nerul is a fantastic place. Vashi is a wonderful place. I have my very close relative staying over there. I keep going to Vashi very regularly. And I know for the fact that Vashi is fantastic, but it doesn't have the amalgamation of all things together which is available at Kharghar. Whether it is your Central Park, whether it is your education institutes, whether it is your post-graduation institutes like NMIMS, all kinds of hospitals, all the things combined together जो है चीजें वो खारघर में better है. ISKCON temple, this is also very important, one of the largest in Asia, has already started, so you have a lot of people who are coming and visiting over here, places of worship, very, very important for a lot of our clients. So this is already operational. Again, the same thing. So whether it is, अगर आप combine करके देखोगे that what is good, right, at certain places in Navi Mumbai, then Navi Mumbai में which place for you to narrow it down, I think the option is very clear, Kharghar. So whether it's temples, central parks, all the things amalgamated together, you don't have any other place than at Kharghar. Kharghar Valley Golf Course, 18 acre ka golf course hai, which is already operational. So one more thing which goes a long way, right? A lot of these people जो यहाँ पे golf खेलने आते हैं, I know CEO of my company goes to play golf over here, right? So ये काफी सारी चीजें हैं जो यहाँ पे खारघर में available है. 18 hole का golf course which is already operational. काफी सारे लोग साउथ मुंबई सभी जगह से यहाँ पर आते हैं खारघर में golf खेलने के लिए. So one more thing, again open space which helps in improving the air quality index. So maybe काफी सारे हम में से हैं जो जाके golf नहीं खेलें, but being available of that open space helps a lot rather than having a commercial a jungle, right, or maybe some kind of plants, MIDC kind of an area. It is much better when you have an open space. So 18 hole golf course, right, is a huge space, 103 hectares की जगह है जहाँ पे open space है आपको, which improves the air quality index that Navi Mumbai has. नवी मुंबई मरीना सिमिलर लाइंस टू दुबई मरीना जिस तरीके से है उसी लाइंस पे बेलापुर में ये बन रहे हैं. सो इट विल बी लाइक अ फन frolic kind of an activity जहाँ पे आप फैमिली के साथ जा सकते हो. You can spend some good time. You'll have wonderful restaurants which will be there, entertainment hubs will be there, and lot many things. So overall, as a family, right, if you want to have a life as such, right, rather than typically what people do in any other areas, I guess, is that they would go to a mall, right? So if you're living somewhere in Mumbai or maybe Thane also to an extent, right, you'll go to a mall. But that's not what really thing is, and lot many people are understanding that, especially in current times. You want to go to a place which will give you that family time, which will give you entertainment options for each member of your family. So you may go to, Navi Mumbai Marina, which is coming up at Belapur. It will have entertainment options, or you can choose to go to ISKCON Temple, or you can choose to go to a Central Park, or maybe if you want to take your kid for a golf course kind of a session, you can go to a golf course. So all these things, I think, again, gives you a lot more life, right, overall than any other place. Let's look at one more AV to understand this.
बिन चाबी के इस ताले को खोलते हैं. चलो जिंदगी को फिर से अनलॉक करते हैं. अनलॉक करते हैं अपने ड्रीम्स और एस्पिरेशंस को जो कहीं छुप गया था, उस लाइफस्टाइल होम के सपने को. अनलॉक करते हैं एक नहीं 5 कैपिटल्स को. वॉक टू वर्क और शॉप ऑन योर वे फ्रॉम वर्क को. खुले रास्ते और प्राइवेट पोडियम गार्डन को. चलो अनलॉक करते हैं नेचर और फ्यूचर को. डैड डॉटर की ड्रीम टीम को. अपनी हॉबीज और फिटनेस गोल्स को. पेरेंट्स की अपनी स्पेस, बच्चों की हैप्पीनेस को. कपल वाले गोल्स को. फैमिली की सेफ्टी को. चलो अनलॉक करते हैं उस नेवर बिफोर लाइफस्टाइल को. इसीलिए अधिराज कैपिटल सिटी की अनलॉक 500, जहां हमने 500 दिनों के लिए आपकी EMI को लॉक कर दिया है, ताकि आप आसानी से अनलॉक कर सको कैपिटल सिटी की सेफ, सिक्योर, इंटीग्रेटेड और फ्यूचर रेडी लाइफस्टाइल. पे 5% now. EMI starts in Jan 2022.
All right. Thank you so much. So again, one more wonderful AV, I think. Let's look at खारगर के perspective से देखते हैं. तो खारगर अगर आप देखेंगे, right, it's a nerve center of the entire Navi Mumbai. जब because of things that we have just seen, जिस kind of चीजें हैं यहाँ पे खारगर में, जैसे अगर आप इस्कॉन टेम्पल देखिए, खारगर वैली गोल्फ कोर्स, पारसिक टनल जो आने वाला है, नवी मुंबई कॉर्पोरेट पार्क, अपकमिंग मेट्रो स्टेशन, सेंट्रल पार्क, coastal road, and this is where Adiraj capital city is located. So location is key in terms of real estate. किस जगह पे आपकी location है, right? And I think Adiraj का location जो है 40 acres of land parcel, it is a perfect place which has all these things surrounding close to it. Let's look at the capital appreciation. पिछले 10 साल से किस तरीके से capital appreciation खारगर में and overall नवी मुंबई में हुआ है, especially खारगर. मैं ये जगह बहुत क्लोजली फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई मीन मैंने अपना पहला घर लिया था 2002-2003 में ऑन पाम बीच रोड, right? And from there I have been observing the way Kharghar has wonderfully come up. I wish I would have invested at that time at Kharghar. Maybe I would have been sitting on fantastic returns right now also, but Kharghar I think has come up much better than any other place. On Palm Beach Road you have a lot of good things, right? Good area as such, but it doesn't have the kind of things that we have seen in the past. So Kharghar में रेट अगर आप देखेंगे 2008-9 में क्लोज टू अबाउट 3000 के आसपास का था, वो 3000 से 3300 तक गया, 5000 के आसपास तक का गया फ्रॉम 2010 to 2012. एंड द रीजन ये कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन हुआ इज बिकॉज ऑफ सेंट्रल पार्क, खारगर वैली गोल्फ कोर्स एंड नेशनल माइग्रेशन टुवर्ड्स नवी मुंबई एंड गुड सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. So I still remember there are wonderful developments which have been done by a developer all across suburbs of Mumbai and everywhere, right? Wonderful developments. But what has happened is उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा development किया है, but infrastructure जो एक government का initiative होता है वो नहीं हो पाया. So what happened because of that is that those pockets are very good, but the connectivity along the way, road or the kind of surrounding area development जो होना था उस तरीके से नहीं हुआ है, and that is where CIDCO has been extremely crucial. So no doubts the credit goes to developers like Adiraj. Adiraj has been there at Kharghar for the last 20 plus years. But is it mainly because of Adiraj that the city has grown? The answer is no. Kharghar has grown because of the wonderful planning that has been done by CIDCO, the kind of infrastructure which has come in, and which is what we see over here. And that is the reason the rate has gone up. Developer to an extent एक रेट को ऊपर लेके जा सकता है, but after that it is the market which decide, it is the surrounding area, the infrastructure which decides the kind of price momentum which it will have. And that is the reason अगर आप देखेंगे खारगर में prices बढ़ती रही हैं because of the infrastructure which has been coming up with it. So it is development plan for Navi Mumbai airport influence area. नैना जब एक रोल आउट हुआ 2014 में, तो हमने रेट और फर्दर 1000 पॉइंट्स का अप्रिसिएशन देखा, 6000 के आसपास तक का रेट पहुंच गया था बाय 2014. From 2014 to 2016 maybe ISKCON temple हुआ, उसके बाद the work started on the airport as such, right? Navi Mumbai Marina was announced. एंड दी MTHL सी लिंक जो हम देख रहे हैं कि काफी आगे बढ़ रहा है. सो इस तरीके से जो है वो प्राइस विल कंटिन्यू टू इंक्रीज ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ बोथ थिंग्स हैपनिंग पैरेलली. Very good developers like Adiraj, one of them, right? And also the CIDCO authority which has been pushing, as well as the state government which is pushing the larger infrastructure projects which we have just seen in the previous slide. So according to me, the rate and the pricing will continue to increase. Especially Kharghar, rate is a function of demand and supply, right? And जहां पे बहुत ज्यादा supply आपका available होगा, the demand, right, will be there, but demand will get absorbed. And I think Kharghar is like that. So you have good demand, supply is not unlimited. Maybe I would say अगर आप पनवेल को compare करेंगे, you can say the supply is unlimited because the पनवेल की boundary continues to expand. So the demand will be there, but the pricing or the capital appreciation, according to me personally, will be limited because आपके projects आते ही रहेंगे आगे जाके, right? Kharghar on the other hand doesn't have unlimited land bank. It is a limited. You have Belapur at one end, you have Panvel starting at the other end, right? So Kharghar as such will continue to see the pricing appreciation. आज अगर आप देखेंगे, maybe certain areas like Andheri, बैंड्रा आप देखो, या कोई भी अगर आप कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन देखोगे, द रीजन फॉर अप्रिसिएशन हैज बीन लिमिटेड सप्लाई ऑफ लैंड बैंक, राइट? एंड आई थिंक खारगर हैज दैट. Kharghar may maybe the projects will keep coming up in next 5 or 10 years and 15 years to come also, but it doesn't have unlimited land bank, and because of which the pricing momentum will continue to go up. अगर आप पिछले 5 साल में देखोगे, हम सभी ने, काफी लोगों ने यहाँ पे 35 से ज्यादा लोग अभी मेरे साथ लाइव है। आई एम श्योर आप सभी लोगों के, मेरे जैसे ही आप सभी लोगों के म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेंगे, आपके इक्विटीज में इन्वेस्टमेंट रहेंगे, विच आर वेरी वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑप्शन, देयर इज नो डाउट। बट व्हाट हैज रियली हैपेंड इन करंट पीरियड इज दैट it takes 1 or 2 months of debacle, right, to get the rates down. I know my mutual fund portfolio is down 50%. Within a span of 3 months, the entire portfolio, which was valued 100 at one particular point of time, is down 50%. But you never will have a situation when the real estate investment जो आपने किया हुआ है, right, goes down by 50%. You'll have stagnation, no doubts. I'll accept that. There might be a stagnation for a few years, right? But the pricing will never fall as the kind of fall which has been seen in other asset class. You can argue saying that gold has given a much better return. There is no doubt. I'm not saying that you only and only invest in real estate, but I think it's a very sound investment option. काफी सारे जो यंग लोग हैं, जो एक नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आ रही थी, who thought that maybe I will not invest in real estate, I will invest in mutual funds or equity. I think they need to do their working right. अगर आज आपने रियल एस्टेट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो, आपको टैक्स बेनिफिट्स मिल रहे हैं आपको, इट्स अ वेरी गुड वे ऑफ सेविंग, प्लस द कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन व्हिच विल कंटिन्यू टू हैपन, एंड अ सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट अगेन. After next 15, 20, 30 years, if there is a situation that you want to retire, right, there are a lot of options. There is an option for reverse mortgage. So the house that you're living in actually earns for you, maybe for 10, 15, 20 years of options. So पिछले 5 साल में अगर देखेंगे, 5 से 4 में देखेंगे, तो 65% is the kind of capital appreciation which has happened in real estate. I'm sure a lot amongst you would have invested in real estate 5 years, 10 years, 15 years ago, and you would have been sitting on 3 or 4 times of appreciation right now. And the prices have not gone down. I mean, I don't think that in your particular building that you're living in, there'll be a seller who will be selling a property at 30% discount. For example, पहले कोई घर 1 करोड़ में बिक रहा था. I don't think so. That kind of thing exists in Navi Mumbai. Maybe at South Mumbai, but I doubt it. Even at South Mumbai, the price would have dropped by 30%. You might have 5, 7, 10% on the higher side. So that is the difference between Navi Mumbai. You would never have a price drop. So you have a safe way of investing. Let's look at one more quick AV for us to understand this better.
बिन चाबी के इस ताले को खोलते हैं, चलो जिंदगी को फिर से अनलॉक करते हैं। अनलॉक करते हैं अपने ड्रीम्स और एस्पिरेशंस को।
Just a minute.
Capital growth or capital appreciation, in simple terms, is an increase in the value of an investment over time. Infrastructure development, commercial development, and preservation of green zones have an impact over the appreciation of real estate. The following cases support the same. Case study 1. Gurugram. Home to more than 250 Fortune 500 companies, it also houses mega corporates like Microsoft, Nestle, HP, Hero Honda, Zomato, Paytm, Coca-Cola, Ericsson, and Sapient. The opening of Delhi Gurugram Expressway in 2008 yielded a 22% increase in residential prices in Gurugram. There was an evident and potent 75% price increase in residential real estate of Gurugram with the opening of the new terminal T3 at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, between the year 2010-2012. The coming of DLF Cyber Hub, Golf Course, Rapid Metro resulted in 15% appreciation of residential prices over a time period of 2 years. Case study 2. High Tech City, Hyderabad. a 300 acres of land envisaged to develop 11 million square feet of IT space and 4.5 million square feet of residential space in a phased manner. Hi-Tech City is an integrated township with modern infrastructure and amenities. Opening of several offices of Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Apple, and Uber resulted in year-on-year 7% appreciation. Hyderabad Metro opens for public consequently, resulting in 22% appreciation in 2018. Case Study 3, Kharghar. A key example of capital growth would be Kharghar, planned mega city offering a markedly superior lifestyle and part of Navi Mumbai, which is the second most livable city in India. The opening of Central Park and Kharghar Valley Golf Course and good social infrastructure yielded 49% price appreciation between 2010-2012 and is expected to see more than 25% increase between 2020-2022 due to upcoming mega projects. Kharghar is the beneficiary of multiple mega projects, primary among which are the Navi Mumbai International Airport, the 345-acre Navi Mumbai Corporate Park, and the Metro. This in turn will make Kharghar the new nerve center of MMR region and boost connectivity. Due to all these factors, Kharghar is all set to witness major capital appreciation. There is no doubt that Kharghar is the next tidal wave of the Indian real estate story.
All right. Thank you, everyone. I think wonderful AV again, right? Let's look at now, let's narrow it down. अगर हमने देखेंगे the way we started, right? We started talking about comparing Mumbai and Thane. Then we started talking about the infrastructure projects in Navi Mumbai as such. And now we are further getting narrowed down towards Kharghar, right? Let's just quickly look at it in terms of the 5 capitals that we have. Why do we call it? Now, the capital city, Kharghar, has, one of the largest land parcels as such, 40 acres of development. नहीं है इतना बड़ा land parcel किसी और के पास जितना हमारे पास है. And if we would have had a choice, right, to make just buildings over here, trust me, 20-25 story के buildings बना के, we could have finished the project long back. But this is a different kind of a project. We're talking about luxury or a premium segment. And that's the reason we want to take it real time with it. If you go to see जो चीजें आपको यहाँ पे रहेगी, right? You have a largest club, Elysium करके होगा, which is a 75,000 square feet clubhouse. Once it is operational, it will be the largest one in Navi Mumbai. Existing close to about 1,800 customers हैं हमारे यहाँ पे book किए हुए. There are 6 international consultants जो engaged हैं in terms of planning and executing the entire capital city as such. Spread over 40 acres, which is the largest integrated urban park. It will also feature a largest integrated urban park at a podium level. जितने आप में से कई सारे लोग रियल एस्टेट को काफी अच्छे से जानते रहोगे तो आपको पता होगा कि जस्ट टू बिल्ड वन बिल्डिंग इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग बट पोडियम लेवल एमिनिटीज कॉस्ट अ लॉट. So we will have the largest integrated urban park, which will be there at a podium level and home to Navi Mumbai's tallest towers. So we have 55 stories, the tallest towers across in Mumbai also. There is one developer in Mumbai which is developing little bigger than 55-story towers than us. But Navi Mumbai we are the largest. All 3 towers, 55-story towers, are standing tall. They are in finishing stage with a handover expected at beginning of next year. So I would strongly suggest that after getting so much of brief about this particular webinar, right, I would suggest that our site office is open. We are following all the precautions in current timelines, right? You can visit the site. We can take an appointment for you. We'll make sure that, you are treated in a different cabin as such. So there is no need for you to interact with 10 people, right? We are going by the appointments. So please come over to the site, have a look at the experience center that we have a look at the sample flats that we have. It will once again revalidate the reason that you should buy with us. Quickly moving further, this is the kind of image that we are talking about, right? This is the clubhouse, Club Elysium, which will be 3 levels high as such, 75,000 square feet clubhouse, and there is a 200-meter long of retail zone, right, which will be close to about 40 odd branded shops, which will be spread throughout. So it's not that for your daily needs you'll have to go outside. Everything will be available over the phone or just a walk away from you, where you can go on all the daily necessities. So whether it is your fine dine restaurants, whether it's healthcare services, whether it's doctors, whatever that basic things that a person needs or a family needs will all be available at Club Elysium in the retail zone that we have. This is the kind of image, the way the elevation of towers will look like, and this is where you will enter from, and the exit will be somewhere from here. This is how the elevation will look in about next 5 to 7 years once all these towers come up. These are the 5 pillars on which the entire capital city is based at. One of them is Capital Park. We'll see them briefly, quickly in times to come now. Capital Street, which is the retail zone, which I just explained you now. Capital District is the commercial part of it, right? You'll have offices which will be there. Elysium is the Club Elysium, which we will have. It's a members only club. And then the capital residences that we have. Combination of all these 5 together makes it the 5 pillars for capital city. WHO recommends 9 square kilometers of open space per person. In Mumbai, it is 0.99 square kilometer per person. It is 2 for Bangalore, and in Kharghar, it is 10 square kilometers per person. So again, population density as such plays a huge role, especially in Kharghar. It is an advantage position. This is the Navi Mumbai's largest podium level park. This is what I was just briefly telling you about, right? You'll have small bio rivers. This particular white, this thing that you see is called trellis, right? So it'll have a wonderful effect in evenings or in mornings when the sun is coming, right? You'll have places down for people to interact, mingle around, right? Human nature is social animal as such, right? You want to go out in the mornings, right? Certain people in your family want to go out for a morning jog or maybe for a walk, right? Mornings or evenings. You have wonderful social areas over here. Close to the bio rivers, right? There'll be alfresco dining areas also, which will be there. So a lot of good places, good things which you can do at your podium level as such, and completely vehicle free. So many accidents which are happening at parking lot with children and all that. But if you have bought a property at Kharghar, right, at Adiraj capital city as such, you can be rest assured you can leave your children at the podium level. Absolutely no vehicles are there. All right. So this is the retail therapy that we are talking about, right? In terms of the way the prices has gone up, opening up of Phoenix Mills in Lower Parel has really increased the prices as such. Inspired by that, right, is the way this particular retail zone, Capital Street, has been developed. So this is the 200-meter long, 40-odd shops that we will have, which will be a mix of all your daily needs as well as healthcare facilities and fashion labels or ethnic labels, supermarkets, beverage outlets. Everything will be there at a walkable distance for you. So the commercial places, having commercial places around, right, drives the overall growth. This is what this particular thing is talking about. And this is where the capital district as such comes in, right? You'll have walk to work. So this is the kind of commercial 5-story high commercial place that we'll be developing. So a lot of companies that we are interacting with who will come and establish their establishment over here. And if you're lucky, one of those who have bought an apartment with us at Adiraj Capital City can actually look to go down to the podium level and walk to the office premise as such. Let's look at the clubhouses that we will have. The Club Elysium, right? It will be managed by ILC, right, which manages one of the largest clubhouses internationally, and in India, this will be the Club Elysium, which they'll be managing, right? So it's one of the branded players that we have. We'll be looking after the clubhouse, Club Elysium, which will be 75,000 largest clubhouse in Navi Mumbai. And this is where we call a home, right? The capital residences. So this is the kind of elevation that you're looking at. This is for the current launch that we're doing. We are launching a phase 2, or rather we have launched a phase 2, right? This entire 40 acres is divided in various phases. You have a phase 1, which is getting handed over in next 6 months to 1 year. Then you'll have phase 2, which is getting handed over in about next year and a half. So the AV, if you would have, seen it, 500 days is what we are giving you an EMI holiday. सो 500 दिनों में जब तक आपको EMI हॉलिडे है तब तक आपका घर रेडी हो जाएगा. आपको सिर्फ 5% एंड स्टैम्प ड्यूटी रजिस्ट्रेशन का अमाउंट पे करना है. 500 days तक वी आर सपोर्टिंग यू विथ योर EMI burden, and then you get a possession somewhere end of next year and beginning of 2022. This is the kind of elevation. These are all 45-story towers in phase 2. Phase 1 is 55 stories, phase 2 is 45 stories, phase 3 is purely under construction, 4-year plus possession timelines. If there are those who are looking for investment, or even if you're an end user, want to have not too much of EMI burden, right, then you can look at phase 3 also, which will get delivered in about next 3 years as such. there is something for everyone, which is what I began my webinar on, right? So at Capital City, we have gone minutely and thought about each member of the family and unke liye kya karne ke liye hai. So if you're 3 to 7 year old, you have schools, workshops, you have play areas, you have kids swimming pool, picnic zone, and a 3-tier security system for everyone. If you're 8 to 17 years old, right? Teenager as such, then you'll have reading rooms, performing arts area, swimming pools, indoor games. If you're 18 to 25-year-old young adult, right, you have workshops, you have gym, pool, outdoor cafes and restaurants. 6 to 35-year-old adult, right, you'll have libraries, events, gym, yoga, meditation, clubhouse. If you're a 40-year plus, for you, then we have community activities, events, club and restaurants. And a family, you have cooking groups, outdoor performance area, yoga classes and clubhouses. So there is something for each and every one. Security being the utmost priority for us. We have 3-tier security system. There is a vehicle free podium zone, CCTV at all vantage points. You have a gated development access control system. Nobody from outside can just walk inside. You'll have various signages. The 40 acres is divided and various signages will be there all around. Safe accessibility for all your, whatever that you require on a daily basis. There is a safe access to it. And there are safe walking and jogging tracks which will be there. Now, this is the phase 2 elevation building, right? Which the way it will be looking. On a podium level, you'll have these amenities. Let's look at the master plan quickly now. So this is the entire 40 acres, the way it is divided. And this is one of the largest podium level, podium level that we have. For this is mainly for phase 3. This is the phase 1, 3 towers over here. This is the phase 2. We currently are in a process of launching this. Majority of all the units are sold in phase 1. In phase 2, you have a few units available. Phase 2 has a podium level, and it is the only phase which has a swimming pool at the podium level. Phase 1, there is no pool as such, right? Even for phase 3 clients, they would need to go to the Club Elysium for them to access the pool. But if you're buying into phase 2, which gets delivered in 1.5 years, right, you'll have a pool available at the podium level as such. So you have Club Elysium, which is this particular part of it, 75,000 square feet, members only clubhouse. You'll have Capital Street, which is the retail zone, Capital District, which is the commercial 5-story high commercial building, which will be at the end of, towards both the ends of the clubhouse as such. Then you'll have the central landscape, which is the largest integrated park on a podium level. And then these are the 5 other towers that we have. So we had a choice. In 40 acres, we could have developed, 40 towers of 25 stories. We did not choose that. So we'll have about 22 odd buildings. So roughly you're looking at about 1.5 to 2 acres for one building as such. So we have chosen to go vertically higher and give a lot more open space for all our clients. This is the clubhouse at the podium level, which I was discussing for phase 2, which will be accessible for only phase 2 residents. We'll have plethora of amenities, residents, including swimming pool, which will be available for this exclusive cluster. You'll have luxury residences with sand decks. Agar aap notice karenge, because of certain changes in the RERA, not many developers are offering sand decks or a balcony that we typically call it, or a terrace. But we do have this in phase 2 because phase 2 was planned and approved before RERA came in. So you'll get the terrace and the balconies as such. You'll have grand designer podiums and lift lobbies, which will be there. You have high-speed destination controlled elevator, right? So because it's a 45-story high tower, so there are enough elevators as such, and they are destination controlled. CCTV cameras will be there. We have the best firefighting systems, which will be available. Please come over to the site. We can discuss this in detail. Right? There'll be a power backup, which will be given, and there'll be definitely servants, washrooms, restrooms will be available as such with this. Now, this is the kind of podium level amenities that I was telling you. There are 30 odd amenities that are available to you at podium level for the people who are buying at phase 2. For our phase 3, which is much larger, you have 39 plus amenities as such, because the podium level over there is lot larger, right? But I think phase 2, the kind of amalgamation that you have with the pool and all the amenities, right, is a wonderful option to buy into. That's whether it's lounge, promenades, rock garden, sitting zone, central rock sculpture, amphitheater, swimming pool, mini garden, floor games, everything. So there are 30 plus amenities which are available at the podium level. Please come over to the site or get in touch with the Adiraj representative. They will give you further details about each and every of these amenities. Right? This is how one of the elevation images will look like. If you look at it from a little further away, you'll have a multi-purpose court for you. You'll have jogging tracks around this, right? And you'll also have a pool which will be there. Let's quickly look at the floor plans. I'll not get into too much of depth into it because we have 130 plus clients over here. People will have different requirements. Few of you will be looking at a 2 bedroom or a 3 bedroom. So I will suggest that you get in touch with your Adiraj representative for understanding your specific floor plans. But we'll look at them briefly over here. This will be the kind of entrance lobby that you will have. It will be similar to any of the 5-star hotels that you go, and the kind of experience that you get, the kind of elevated lobby experience is what you will get over here. The layout will be something similar for 1A and tower 1A and tower 1B. This is the kind of layout. You have you'll have 8 apartments as such on per floor, right? But they are well spaced out. So you're not sharing your walls, right? You have only one middle wall as such. This is for the other 2 towers. So total in phase 2, we have 4 towers, 1A, 1B, 1C, and 1D. So this is the kind of layout for tower number 1C and 1D. Right. So broadly, what are the features of this particular phase? Is you have double height sun decks with French windows. You have central cross ventilation in every residence for a 3-bedroom. You have a separate wardrobe area and bedrooms for a 3-bedroom. Branded high-end vitrified flooring. You have high-end vitrified tile flooring in kitchen. High-grade granite countertops and stainless steel sink. Toilets with washrooms with Grohe, Kohler, or Jaguar equivalent fittings. Right. So these are the kind of unit amenities that you will have. Quickly looking at the kind of unit plan that we have, if you're looking to buy maybe a 2-bedroom, we have 2 types of it, right? So you enter in, you have a long passage as such, gives you a privacy, doesn't open the entire house for you. And then you have a kitchen area over here. Then you get in, you have a living room, you have a common washroom, you have the first guest bedroom as such, and this is the master room, which comes with a washroom and a large balcony as such. Again, like I said, I'm not getting too much details into the floor plan because all of you will have different requirements as such, and the Adiraj representative will be able to share with you your specific floor plan as such. This is the isometric of a 2-bedroom entrance, which we just saw now. This is the entrance over here. You come in, you have a living room as such, guest room here, the kitchen area is over here, and then you have a master as such. You have a master room over here. Attached with it is a balcony. This is a layout for you for a 3-bedroom apartment if you're looking at it, right? You have a large area as such. Entrance, you have a rectangular kind of a living room. You have kitchen on your right hand side. You go further in, you have the first guest room, right, with a common washroom over here. You have one master over here, which comes along with the balcony or the terrace that we keep talking about. And then there is another master bedroom as such, which comes with its own balcony area. This is the similar isometric view of a 3-bedroom apartment, rectangular shape hall, and then you have kitchen on this side, guest bedroom, and then 2 masters as such towards this. So gives you enough privacy. If you are staying in a large family as such and you want your own privacy, then you have your own master bedroom on this side. This can be a guest room, and this can be another room which maybe your parents will share, or any guest which comes visiting your house, or kids if you have. This is another layout of a 3-bedroom that we have, right? You have a large living room. You enter in, you have a kitchen, and then you have a large living room over here. Bedrooms on both ends as such, with a refuge area and the guest bedroom over here. This is the isometric view. So very little wastage of space. Another thing which I see is very good cross ventilation in these apartments. Because of these being large apartments, if you can keep the windows open, you'll have a nice breezy apartment as such, with a wonderful light also, because you're not sharing your walls as such with anyone. This is another for your one more layout for a 3-bedroom apartment that we have. Let's quickly look at the Experience Gallery AV. This will be the last AV. We'll finish this session in about next 5 to 7 minutes, and we will take any of the questions that you have. Request you to kindly put them across in chat. We will take few questions, whichever one that time permits us. Let's just quickly look at one more last AV before we take the question and answer. All right, quickly sum it up. I had initially planned this session for close to about 45 minutes. We are just exceeding on that. So अभी हमने जो देखा वो हमारी एक सेल्स ऑफिस साइट ऑफिस का आपने पूरा एक एवी देखा उसके ऊपर. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट इफ यू हैव liked whatever we have shown you so far webinar, अगर आपको पसंद आया है, please come over to our sales office, have a look at it, sit across the table, and then we can discuss things in detail. Just to give you a little legacy about Adhiraj Capital City as such, right? Or Adhiraj Group as such, it's 250 plus acre is the total land parcel that we hold. We have 20 plus years of real estate sector experience, mainly based at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. 200 plus Adhiraj family from diverse backgrounds, 200 plus staff, 1 million plus square feet. We have delivered already, so we have a very good name in terms of deliver. A lot of our book customers जो है हमारे साथ आके वापस लेते हैं. Loyalty customers काफी बड़े संख्या में है हमारे पास. 13 million persons of construction with no fatalities. Safety is very, very important for us. So there are no fatalities in 13 million person hours of work, right? First, the status in India being able to construct prestigious swivel structure. So we have a very unique swivel structure in phase 1, right? अगर आप थोड़े enthusiastic हैं about understanding of different real estate structures as such, I would suggest please come over, have a look at it. So every 5 floors, basically, the floor changes in the swivel structure. So it opens up a wonderful sky lounge. We call it a sky lounge. Please do come over, something unique you would not have ever seen in your life, according to me. Please do come over. This is in our phase 1, the 55 stories. That's the reason we call it Iconic Towers, which is what this is about. 55 story Iconic Towers, tallest in Navi Mumbai, in which we have adopted this swivel structure. And 2,700 plus of our clients who are there with us, right? So that's the kind of legacy that we have. I would really like to thank you for attending this webinar, which kind of went little ahead than what I had initially planned for. Now, let me just quickly take any questions that you have, right? All right, so we have, if any questions are there, please do, right? I mean, I see a chat box over here. I would be glad to answer any questions. Someone's asking 1 bedroom available. Yes, we do have 1 bedroom available. It is available in our phase 3. Please do phase 1 as well. If you're really looking for something which gets delivered to you soon, we have few options available in our phase 1. Or if you're looking for something which gives you little time and, you know, it's a little more easy on cost as such, then we have in our under construction option. Please do come over to the site, get in touch with the Adhiraj representative. We will surely assist you with that. All right, so I think we don't have any more questions than that. We have already kind of have done this session for close to about 1 hour and 10 minutes. So thank you so much for giving so much of your time. I really appreciate all of you being here. Thank you. My name is Shreyas Khare. Like I said, please do come over to the site. I'm available over here. We'll have Adhiraj staff who will take care of you well in a safe environment. Come with your family and then we can discuss further. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.